Guys, welcome back to another episode of Atlas Survival Shelters. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Guys, what is a secret bunker without a secret passage? Today, I'm going to go visit a company called Creative Home Engineering in Phoenix, Arizona, and this guy makes the coolest secret passages you've ever seen. So guys, come along and let's go visit this guy. And this is the guy that does the secret passages. It's called Creative Home Engineering. All right, so I'm gonna go in and meet the owner. And hey, buddy.
Hey, welcome.
Well, hey, yeah, the Corona slap. How about that? Hey, man, I'm a big fan of yours. I know you make all these safe rooms, and look at that. Look at that. He's got all these signs on the wall showing the secret passage. Is that you?
That's me. Yeah.
All right, man. You're a star. Look at all this stuff. Yeah. Well, show the audience what you do here.
Yeah, well, let me give you a quick tour. I'll show you a couple of things. So I started this business back in 2004, making stuff like this. I saw a secret door like this in the movie The Saint with Val Kilmer. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah.
There's a secret door in there that is a dresser with functional drawers, and then you hit the button, and then the door unlocks and it self-opens.
Wow, so that would lead to the secret room or the safe room.
Yeah, exactly. So this just represents the wall, and you just cut an opening in the wall, and you buy this from me, and it shows up in a big crate.
That is crazy.
Into the opening.
Yeah, cool.
This one's set up to self-close. So I started making them like that, and then this is another one, a similar thing, where you pull a book.
Oh, wow, like in a movie.
And it's a wireless book too, so that's kind of cool. You can take the book off the shelf, and then you can hide it if you don't want anyone to see it or whatever.
Oh, wow, it just opens up, and it's got a bolt on the back?
This one has a higher security, there's a hidden camera, and there's actually a layer of bulletproof Kevlar in behind the stainless steel.
What does something like that cost?
Maybe $20,000.
Really?
I mean, it depends on the options and features that you get, but certainly the higher security features add a lot of expense.
What's that do?
So this is a monitor, and there's a hidden camera on the front.
So you can look out at it.
Exactly. I should have turned it on before you got
Oh, wow.
here, but I might just be able to turn it on.
So you can look right out and see who's looking at you. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, so...
Put up 2 fingers.
Yeah, right here. So
wow.
And actually, if you want to see the hidden camera, you come around. I'll close it for you so you can see on the front side. We hide these cameras.
Where's the camera?
All over the place, but the camera's actually right there in the picture.
Dude, that is so sick, man. That is so sick. I love it.
So we started making these way back in 2004. And we had a lot of clients who ordered this from us, but then they said, well, okay, I've got a vault room that's off of my living room or something, and I don't want a big safe room that's off the living room or off the dining room. It's too conspicuous. And so we started selling these, which this is a heavy vault door that when you open it, you can see it's a heavy vault door, when it locks. These pins engage, but when we can skin it any way you want.
Okay.
And so a lot of people use these for front doors or back doors, but they can also just be if you have 6-panel raised panel design in your house, we just put a skin on that matches all the other doors in your house, and so you can have a heavy vault door or a safe door that is blends into the rest of your house.
What does a standard size door with this kind of stuff cost?
These start at about $6,000, but they can come in really high bulletproof ratings, and there can be double doors and transoms and skylights and all kinds of stuff.
And what kind of bullet will it stop? Up to what caliber?
Up to UL level 8, which means it will stop around from a high power rifle.
It won't stop at 50 cal, it'll stop at 308.
Well, UL level 8 won't make it stop at 50 cal, although we make secret doors. I'll show you in a minute. We make secret doors that will stop at 50 cal.
Really? The cabinet, how much is that? Everyone's going to want one of those.
Starting at around $7,500.
$7,500 for a secret cabinet. Okay, yeah. But it's not bulletproof.
It's not at all. And we can make it in a bulletproof version. That's the nice thing about these is they're all custom designed. So one client will come to us and say, hey, I need it to stop a 50 cal. Another client says, well, I don't want to spend that much. I'll make it stop 9mm. We'll cater it to whatever you want.
Yeah. This is so cool. Do you have anything else in here?
Yeah.
What do you want to show me? Does that do something, or is that just a cabinet?
No. This is a secret switch. We have a lot of people that want.
Oh, wow, the Bat Cave.
Batman, and
wow.
you scan your fingerprint there, and
that will be my thumbnail for this video almost. Yeah. No, that actually is pretty cool. So I got to do this. Hold on. The Bat Cave, and then you hit the button.
That one's a fingerprint scan.
Oh, that's a fingerprint scan. So just because you find it doesn't mean you can get in.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, I did not see that, dude. You're ahead of the bad guys.
And then there's more too.
This guy's had tilt back too?
Yeah, exactly. It's a different model.
Okay.
If you look at these two secret doors, we've decided to make them more affordable. So they cost $1,500 and $2,500 respectively.
Okay, that's $2,500.
$2,500. And I'll open this one with voice control.
Okay.
Okay, Google, open Sesame. You're gonna have to catch There we go.
Oh, your wish is my command. Did you hear that? Oh man, that is so cool.
So
will it do it if I do it?
Yeah, sure. Try.
Okay. What do you say?
You say, okay, Google, open Sesame.
Okay, Google, open Sesame.
Your wish is my command.
And that's $2,500. Okay, Google, open Sesame.
Your wish is my command.
That's just crazy, man. Look at that. So if somebody comes in your house and says that, though, they're going to get into your secret room.
That's right. So
but who's going to know that?
You would only choose that as your access control device if you're using the secret door more for fun, which a lot of people are.
Yeah, that's
but
just...
If you're high security, you're going to have a fingerprint scanner.
I got you.
Keypad, something like that.
Otherwise, every girlfriend that hears you do it's going to say it. And what is that one over there, Dave?
This is a full-length mirror. This is our least expensive kind of secret door. It's only $1,500. It opens with a magnet. You just touch a magnet to a certain spot. I put a sticker here so it's easy for me to see where it is, but you just touch that, and then this opens up.
Oh, wow. Let me see it from the back side.
Yeah, from the back side, it just looks like a door. You can always get out because you've got a handle.
Okay.
There.
Wow.
You can just go to hiddendoorstore.com. You can configure it the way you like it, in swing, out swing, right hinge, color, all that stuff, and you can order it right online.
What's your website address?
So for these two products, the pre-designed products, it's hiddendoorstore.com. Hiddendoorstore.com. If you want anything custom, then you're going to be dealing with creativehomeengineering.com or hiddenpassageway.com. They both point to the same thing. Hiddenpassageway.com is our main website.
Wow. Well, this is incredible. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my video. Guess what? You know when I do those ads about go to beprepared.com and use the code word Atlas? The code word Atlas doesn't work anymore. They've given me my own landing page. It's called shelterwithatlas.com. So guys, if you want to get some food from Be Prepared, go to shelterwithatlas.com. You don't have to put any codes now, but guess what? Now you're getting 10% discounts instead of the old 5%. For example, this Pell right now on the Be Prepared website is $199. But when you go to the Shelter with Atlas website landing page, it's $179. You're saving 10%. So guys, from now on, go to shelterwithatlas.com and you don't have to put in any codes. Just go there and order your food, and the 10% discount is already built in. So guys, back to the video. All right, so we're gonna go out and shop. So what's all this stuff here? Accolades?
These are just the magazines and stuff that we've been in over the years.
Oh, secret passages through arches and big bookshelves. And anybody building a big private mansion is going to want a secret passage. Wow. All right, well, let's go out and shop.
Yeah, let me show you where we build them. So
wow.
This is our workshop space. This is our door jig. So every door that we build, we put it in this jig and we adjust the spacing between these verticals so that it imitates the opening that's at your house. and that way we can install it in an opening and make sure that it works perfectly.
Is most of your installs new construction or retrofit?
It's about 50-50, honestly.
Really?
We do a lot of both. So these are doors that are under construction. Obviously, they're not done yet, but this is going to be a bookcase.
And let me see the back side. Okay, this is just a wooden bookcase.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
And then this here, let's go over here. You see, this is the inside of what will be a bulletproof vault door. And on the front, we're going to clad it with wood paneling, so it's going to look like wainscoting. But what I really want to show you is this. This is actually really cool. You'll notice, unlike all vault doors, most vault doors have pins that come out of the edge of the vault door, and they go into holes that are on the frame. But you won't see that here. And the reason is because that is not a very effective way to keep people out. If you go onto YouTube, you type in break into safes, you'll see these guys that take like 6-foot pry bars and they can just pop open a safe door. So we have a different system where we have these slots here, and then over here on the frame, there are these tabs. And when the door closes, the tab goes into the slot, and then there's a pin inside
it falls
of
down,
here that goes vertically.
Oh, up.
It goes up and down, and so it goes through a hole here, through this hole, and then through another hole here. And so that's called double shear locking. And it's much, much more
And that
secure.
does it one, two, three, four, 5 times?
On each side.
On each side,
so
wow.
There's 10 altogether. And when this locks like that, it is so much more secure than a conventional vault door. You cannot pry it
And
out.
what does a big vault door like this cost?
Usually maybe $15,000 is a pretty typical
Wow.
price.
And what is this made with, like AR 500 steel?
Yeah, or AR 550.
550?
So yeah, bulletproof to whatever you need it to be, up to UL level 10. So we're making one right now that can stop 50 cal.
Wow, that's nice. And that's stainless right there.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big one. That's like 4 foot by what, 8, 9 foot? 4 by 8, 4 by 9?
And we've made them much bigger. I made secret doors that are big enough that you can drive a truck through them
Wow.
when they're in the open position. So
Cool.
it's all whatever you need. This is another one. You can see the guts are off of it, so you can see the inside of these pins go up and. I can't really make it move right now because they're.
Oh, there it is.
they're still
Okay, the
welded
shear
up.
pin?
Yeah. So,
Oh, okay, I see it.
so you can see that it goes through all 3 layers.
Yeah. Wow, this one's got a lot too. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one's really secure. These are some crazy. So you're a welding shop, I guess, in a way too.
Yeah, that's right. So if you come over here, I'll show you. We have. Hey, Ron. We have a.
There's his guys. Say hello to YouTube, everybody. Okay.
So we got our CNC plasma table where we pull in the ballistic steel.
Uh-huh.
And it cuts out the pieces. I'm sure you're familiar with this. Cuts
Yeah.
out all the pieces. We take them over here and we weld up the chassis, and then we install them in the jig, and we fit all the woodworking. The woodworking is done on the far end of the shop over there. You can see we got a CNC routing table and an edge bander, a bunch of other stuff down there. So all the pieces come together here in the jig. We test every single one before we ship it, and we know that it's going to be, impeccable quality, and the customer is going to love it always. And then when that's done, we put them in these
Who
crates.
installs these?
Yeah, that's a great question. So these doors are designed to be installed by the local door and window installer or local handyman, just like all the other doors in the house. They're just doors. It's just that these doors don't look like doors, but they install the same way as doors. They're pre-hung door systems. So they go in these crates. We ship them all over the world.
Wow, I can imagine. This place is awesome. So what's all this?
So this is another one of those door jigs.
Okay.
This one is where we do more of the pre-designed units. So the verticals are not adjustable because they're the same size.
So you make a pre-designed unit that's just stock, and they just build a house around it.
Exactly, and that way, we can give the client a much better value, much lower price.
And these you said were $2,500?
$2,500. So it's
and this is the open sesame door.
Yeah, exactly. And it could open with a book or a fingerprint scanner or whatever you want.
I like what you picked up the book, but if somebody grabs your book or knocks it over, the door opens.
There's all different ways. Sometimes we'll even hide a fingerprint scanner inside of a book. So
Oh.
it's like double.
Wow.
Or the one in my own house, you have to play my piano. And if you play the James Bond soundtrack correctly, you have to play it correctly. But if you do it, then my secret door will pop open.
So, do you work on movies?
We have done a few things for various movies, and especially for the homes and offices of movie directors, like Hollywood people.
I bet they do eat this stuff up. Well, what else do you want to show me here?
Oh, well, I think the main thing that I want to stress about these doors here is that you can see the camouflage is still amazing. Even though this door's only $2,500, it's every bit as good camouflage as our $20,000 doors. It's just that by making them the same every time, we can kind of pass the savings on to the customer. So, and then you can just see, this is the rest of our shop where we lay out each one of these doors.
So you have a CNC router over there?
That's right.
That's pretty cool.
So
that's your main tool.
Yeah, so because
It's got the rotary head with all the different dies.
secret doors have to be so precise to
Oh,
be
yeah.
built that we have to cut them out by machine so that all the pieces are absolutely perfect.
So you program it right here?
Well, yeah, the programs are actually done in the office on a computer, but the operator stands here and runs the machine. And then when the pieces come out, we have to edge band them. Of course, our
I can
clients-
see where you've cut this one, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, it's precision. That's cool. Was there anything else you want to show everybody? Or is that it?
I think you guys have seen the best parts. I hope you enjoyed it. And,
Yeah.
Again, if you want a secret door for your house, just look us up. It's hiddenpassageway.com or hiddendoorstore.com, depending if you want.
Hiddenpassageway.com.
Exactly.
That's the easy one to remember.
There you go.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video because I know I sure enjoyed making it for you. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, I love to cover secret passages, bomb shelters, anything cool. So make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video if you want the whole world to see it, and hit that little indicator bell. It goes ding, ding, ding. Let you know when my next Atlas Survival Shelter YouTube video comes in. But guys, as always, I love you. I'll see you on the next video.